Welcome back. It's been a while since I've done a video, so let me show you why. So as you can see, this is a different place. So we're actually in the process of acquiring a new workshop. So I'll give you a little tour. That's where the Subaru's been sitting. So we have done some work to it. I'll touch more on that in a second. This is the engine corner. So 4 AGs there, there's a Barra there which is getting sold, and then there's a 1.8 litre for the Miata which is there. Spare wheels, racing stand, just stuff we need to sort out. The Adrian's VQ over here, so that's running and driving now. It's still a bit rough when it runs, but at least it runs now. This is all Adrian's corner over here. Then we've got the Soarer over here. So last time I filmed a video on the Soarer, we would have just got the box in. So the box is in now. I've got the slave and master hooked up for the clutch, and I've got the pedal box in down there as well. Also with the Miata, I've got a body kit coming for it because the whole body on it's fucked. Like, it's beyond, there's no point in repairing like the guards or whatever, just chuck them out, and then the quarters are gonna get over fenders. But this actually stopped running as well, so I'm thinking it's just bad fuel, because it starts if you put like start your bastard in it, or the injectors are going on it for whatever reason. So I've got to have a look at that and make sure that's running properly. I've also got a new rear garnish for it. It's not brand new, but it'll do the job. That's the rear garnish there. Has a little bit of damage, but can fix it. And then I've got this spoiler off of a Subaru WRX. It's from I think a 2022 WRX. So I'm going to be fitting it to this car as well. I'll make it fit a little bit nicer than that, but that'll kind of be the look that I'm going for with it. And then it'll also extend down to the bottom here. So this is a pearl white. I'm going to be repainting this car in a pearl blue, Subaru blue, but with a bit of a custom twist on it. So I'm going to try and hopefully get as much of that kind of out, just so it's like not too fucked, and then I can put the over fender on it and not worry about it. And then we got my AE86 with the kooky bumper on the back. So sadly it has gotten a bit more surface rust since sitting outside, but nothing that can't be fixed with a little spray and sand. And we've got the chill spot here. You can just sit down, watch TV, and do whatever the fuck you want. These are actually off a different Subaru, a WRX, that I picked up. Then the next day I picked apart, and then the day after that I sent to the scrapyard because it was fucked beyond all repair. So I've got boot lid, spoiler, all the doors, and then a bunch of random parts as well. Got a shit ton of stuff here that needs to be sorted out. And then back here is most likely going to be the engine building room. So it's a bit wet right now because the roof needs to be redone. But in here we'll be able to just chuck all our engines and then just build them in here. And then we got another little chill kind of hangout spot that people want to get away from all the noise and all that. They can come sit in here as well. So I did say I was going to touch on the Subaru a little bit. So long story short, the motor's probably fucked. It's definitely blown a head gasket, so it's mixing a shit ton of coolant and oil and all that stuff in the combustion chamber, which is not what you want. But we are going to try and fix it. And I've got the front and rear bar for the Subaru here too. I've got all the painted parts of the Subaru up there as well. So yeah, this is the new workshop. You'll be seeing all the videos from here from now on. So I'm going to leave it there. I just want to do like a quick little update video just to show you guys what's been going on and why I haven't been uploading. So hopefully this will also get painted soon. This will be done soon, and then I'll be able to start on that, start on the Corolla shell as well, and then maybe do some more work to my white one because that hasn't been sold yet either. So yeah, I'll leave it there.